We still have some dirty stuff in the damage detector. More specifically, the isCollided function. We're detecting collided objects, the attacks. Here we're saving 4 variables, and we're doing the same here inside is in lethal range function. This is for detecting range attacks, so we're doing 2 of the same things in 2 different functions. I'm going to go into the damage data and create a function there so we can use it in 2 different places. I'll call it set data, and we're setting data for 4 of these variables. Okay, so we have the attacker, character control, pass on the info. We also have the attack ability itself, attack. You know, typical stuff involved in the attack from a player to another. We also have the damaged body part, damaged trigger. We also have the body part that is attacking, which is just a game object. Attacking part. So back in the damage detector, I'm just going to use the function damage data set data. So here we have the attacker. We just got to pass on the info, the attack ability, as well as the part that is receiving the damage and the part that is doing the damage. And then the same thing in the ranged attacks. Here, first let me get the damaged part. Which is random for this function. So, the same thing, set data. We have the attacker and the attack ability. The random body part that is receiving the damage, and we don't have a specific body part that is doing the attack, so just leave it null. Make sure everything is saved. I'm going to play. Everything should be the same, and here is the damage data for the wipeout blue. I'm going to test the range attack. Okay, that works fine. And punching and kicking. Okay. We have a similar situation in the Mario Stomp. Check Mario Stomp. Same thing here. First, let me get the random body part. Random part. Okay, and then we do the same thing. Set data. We have the attacker, the character control. We also have the attack ability. Mario Stomp attack. We have the part that is receiving the damage, random. And then the attacking part, right foot. Okay, so we don't need this. We also have detection in checking colliding weapons. Check colliding weapons function. Here. Again, we look at damage data. set data. Attacker is the thrower. The attack ability, axe throw. We're already inside the trigger detector that is receiving the damage, this trigger detector. And just like the range attack, the attacking body part doesn't matter here. I had right hand here, but this is not going to make any difference. So just delete these previous lines. Save all the code, and I'm going to test the range attack, the axe throw. Okay, even without the right hand info, doesn't matter. Let me also test the Mario stomp. Okay, looks like everything is fine. I'll do more in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.